Come back, friends. There has been a sudden fall in the Nifty. If you look around for news, you find that the Democrats seem to be winning the one of the Georgia seats, and the second one is too close to call. Now, there is a problem in the sense that if the Democrats control the Senate in the United States, this is sudden development. Okay, it's very difficult to sit and gauge that this is how the turn of events could be. These things can happen only. Don't just some people are commenting and all that, but try to understand why this fall has happened. It's a sudden reaction. It's a knee-jerk reaction, uh, and as far as I can see, the market should revive tomorrow. Yeah, we should win. It's the options expiration day, but Nifty should revive tomorrow. But this is only a knee-jerk reaction to the Democratic winning the Senate. If the Democrats win that, that means they will have control over the House of Representatives and the Senate in the United States, and that leads to higher taxation. Uh, Higher taxes by the Biden government could also mean that less disposable income will be there for the companies to spend on IT and things like that, which is negative for the IT world. This is the reason why this sudden knee jerk reaction. A lot of people, it is very easy, sir, I trust you, I trusted you, I trust. But understand what is this is a knee jerk reaction. These things happen in the world. In my opinion, it's only a knee jerk reaction, and the market should return back to normalcy tomorrow. Uh, Besides, we do not have the confirmed uh, this these are the NBC polls that what we're reading. We should get the confirmed news for this matter, and there is every fall has a silver lining as well. Silver lining is that if the Democrats do win the Senate, they will come out with higher fiscal stimulus. If they come out with higher fiscal stimulus, then that can be very nice for the people investing in the emerging markets, because higher fiscal stimulus would lead to a weaker dollar. Weaker dollar means once again FIs will put more money in the emerging markets. In fact, it can be very positive for the emerging markets, and they can in fact go up higher. So knee jerk reactions, don't overreact. And I'm just coming in the middle of the day to explain to you why this fall has happened. It was unexpected, it is sudden, and in my opinion, and as per my calculations, market may correct a little bit more. They may fall. They are falling at this point of time. But as far as I can see, well, yes, we should be watching the Dow Jones trade, but market should be back to normal and higher tomorrow, the which is also the options expiration day. But do realize that this event, what has happened, is something which was unexpected. It has happened in America. It should have, ideally, from the way things the polls were being conducted, it was showing it would go for the Republicans, but one of them is going for the Democrats, and the other one is too close to call. So there is a likelihood of a Democratic control even in Georgia in the Senate. That's why it has happened. Understand, don't many people are just reacting without reason. So knee-jerk reaction, market should rebound tomorrow as far as I can see. And please stay calm, and don't if you do not keep your calm, then you can make a lot of mistakes in the markets. Don't overreact. And we come up with all this analysis after many conclusions, many analysis. Try to give us credit. These events in the world are happen once in a blue moon, but let it not distract you from doing the good work and distract us from doing the good work. Market should be back to normal tomorrow and should be positive. Thank you. Happy investing. Bye bye.